Now we're going to change the color of point feature in our ArcGIS Pro 3. Now we have opened the ArcGIS Pro 3 project here. So we need to create the new map first to contain by the point feature. Okay, just click here, the new map. Okay, now we have the map here, so we need the data. Just click folder, and it's ship file. We don't see, oh yeah, there we have survey data here. Okay, so we just drag it over here. Yeah. Okay, there are two ways to change the color. First, we can right click here and click symbology there, and we click here and we change the predefined gallery predefined colors by ArcGIS Pro. We can hit maybe this circle, and there it changed. It's automatically changed, or maybe triangle. Okay, if we want to change custom, then click properties, and here we can change the color like this, maybe yellow, but it is not automatically changed. We need to click apply here, and this is the preview, and the size is too big. Maybe we can do 7, and we click apply. Yeah, there's 7, maybe it's too big. What about 4, and apply there. Okay, and what about the outline? We can change the outline maybe by pink. Oh yeah, that is the first way. And the second way, that we can click directly here onto the point feature symbol. There is a tooltip pop up. Click to modify symbol, just click, and there it goes directly to properties in symbology. And the same, we can change maybe to brown and change this to yellow, and we will click apply to make it effective. Affect this to make a change, and there the fill and the outline color is changed. Okay, that's all. There are two ways to change point feature color in ArcGIS Pro 3. Thank you.